All right, let's take a walk through this house at 3112 Townview Avenue. Lots of beautiful gardens and plantings in this house. Really quite nice. Home is a 1960s two-story type with 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2-car garage. This is a living room with a gas burning fireplace, 2-tone paint, and racetrack ceilings. Back to this other side here is a formal dining room. Currently the Santa Claus room, but ample size for large gatherings or an office. And we pass through here into the kitchen. We've got an eat-in table for 4, probably 50 than that. And we back up and take a bigger look. It's a wood kitchen. It's been replaced at some point. Beautiful granite counters and some nice stainless appliances. Lots of extra storage options. And also on the main level, there's a 3-quarter bathroom back here by the walkout to the backyard, which we'll see later. And then I'll look into the garage. 2-car garage with a garage door in front and a garage door in back. Okay. Now, let's head on back to go upstairs. First thing you see is this lovely tiled bathroom, which was done a number of years ago. Also has a tiled shower with a jetted tub. Here on the upper landing, we walk into the primary bedroom, which is about 16 by 14. It's a good sized room. Very large double closet with organizer. Second bedroom upstairs here. This one's also about 14 by 12. Has a walk-in closet with light. Every bedroom up here has working ceiling fans. Another bedroom. Many windows in the house have been replaced. Not all, but they're all in very good working order. And the smallest bedroom upstairs could be an office. We'll head back down to the basement. Walk out back through the kitchen. Oh, basement's here. I walked right by it. Here we go. Wood burning down here. Several windows to get some extra light in the room, but it's a large room. And then we've got a bathroom with a shower. And then back on the other side, we've got a working room, shop room or storage room, and laundry with double with 2 stackables, or you could stack those, I suppose, front loaders. All the mechanicals in this house are in great shape. This owner has maintained this home very well. Let's take a look in the backyard and finish the tour here. Sorry, no fancy editing going on. Okay, so you can see we've got an expansive deck, very large, very nice. It's a man-made material. It's got some nice walls for privacy like you see here. Here's the back of the garage, which has this extra garage door and another parking pad for extra things if somebody wanted to. Walking back through here, very well-maintained yard with lots of plantings, beautiful perennials everywhere. Very good sized storage shed. And you're kind of on a high spot here. Townview is named after how you could see Minneapolis back when this was built downtown. And so then looking back into the home here on the deck, imagine some very nice days spent enjoying this spot. And that's the tour. Thank you very much for taking a look.